Guys, I have this 2012 Kia Forte. I don't know if you could hear the noise. I don't know if anyone familiar with this noise on the Kia or Hyundai. Please hit me up. Tell me exactly what to do with this thing because I'm kind of tired of it. Like, I don't know if you can hear it. It's all related to the steering, so you heard? I don't know. I changed my control arm, I changed the iron, and I would the tie rod, I changed ball joint, I changed bushings. It's still there. I don't know. It looked like something on the steering itself, under this thing. I don't know. I don't know if anyone know how to solve this. Please hit me up. I would love to know how to fix this because I'm tired of it. Alright guys. That's annoying, right? Alright guys, anyone who knows about it, hit me up. Thank you.